Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate your Desjardins credit card. The first thing you should do is take the card out of the envelope. Now look at the back of your credit card. You will see a phone number listed for card activation. This is the easiest and fastest way to activate your card. Pick up your phone and dial the activation number shown on the card. Once the call connects, you will hear an automated voice system. Listen carefully and follow each instruction. The system will ask you to enter information using your phone keypad. This usually includes the full credit card number and the expiration date printed on the front of the card. In some cases, you may also be asked to confirm your date of birth or postal code. If you prefer speaking to a real person, you can also activate your card by calling customer service. Use the customer service number on the back of your card and ask the representative to help you with activation. They may ask the same verification questions to confirm your identity. After activation, you can start using your Desjardins credit card right away for purchases online or in stores. Thanks for watching.